I told you that once you are a custom broker, you create a business for generations. It is not for you only. Okay. So still, if you're not sure about whether you should get into the career or not, call me. Right? Numbers I've already shared. So this is about the career. Now coming to the coaching program, right? For 2026 exam, out of your syllabus, here comes allied laws, and here comes customs laws. Okay. This portion will be started from 11th September 2025, and this will continue up to end of February 2026. Right? Syllabus I've already told you, so I'm not writing all the things again. So starting from 11th September. Allied laws, this portion we have already covered. For this, there will be recorded videos. And recorded videos which are recorded in this year, current year. Right? Because the actually batch was started in the month of April. Only customs portion is starting now. So April till now, we have already covered allied laws. So videos that you can subscribe. Now you have a choice whether you want to go only for this or you want to have complete package of this as well as this. It is your choice. Okay. Certainly the price will differ for both the packages. Or you want to have only this. That is also possible. So this plus combination. So three options are available. Only customs, only allied, and a combination of allied plus customs. Okay, so even when you subscribe for the recorded videos, our regular support will always be there with you. Okay, now when it comes to 2027, why I'm talking about 27? I already have students who are all preparing for 2028 exam. Earlier you start, more learning you have, and the chances of passing the exam are very bright. Because there are total number of 6 attempts are there, and I've seen thousands of people who have wasted all 6 attempts without preparing properly. Passing this exam on the basis of self-preparation, I don't say impossible, but certainly very, very difficult. Okay, so don't try to do that. Otherwise, you'll end up wasting so much of time. So start preparing for 27 now. Or if you're planning to appear in 28, start now. Okay, so what will happen? From first, we will cover up customs portion. That is from, I said, September to February. And then your allied laws will be completed in April to September 2026. Okay, this is 2025 and 26. And after the completion of syllabus, you continue with us for attending the customs portion again. Okay, so you will have 2 revisions of the entire syllabus. Okay, now this is about coverage. Now, how do we conduct the coaching program? Our coaching program lectures, these are always online live sessions. If you cannot adjust with the class timings of the live class, then you can opt for recorded classes as well. Classes are always conducted through Zoom. This is Monday to Friday. Timing is 8:30 to 10 p.m. This is our Monday to Friday schedule. And then we have 10:15 MCQ, 10:15 PM, means immediately after the class, we have MCQ practice. Whatever we have learned in the lecture, based on that, we will have multiple choice question practice. Then, every Sunday, we have a test. Test again online. This is a formal test. And this is for assessment of whatever you have learned during the preceding week and earlier. So test is always cumulative. Our 1-year coaching program covers roughly 7,500 MCQs. How many MCQs are there in the exam? 150. We give you at least this much number of MCQs for practice and learning. Once you do that, the chances of passing the exam in the first attempt are almost 100%. Almost 100%. Okay, I have a simple formula, and the formula is 80%. What is that 80%? Cover 80% syllabus thoroughly. Be present in the class at least 80%. Do your homework at least 80%. Score in every test at least 80%. Once you've done that, nobody can stop you from passing the exam in the very first attempt. Okay, so I think I have shared the complete information. What is this exam? Who is eligible? When the exam is conducted? Everything I have shared, and please do not hesitate to call me on any of these numbers. Actually, timing is also not a restriction. I prefer a timing between 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. But if you want to call me any other time, you are welcome. Drop a message on WhatsApp. It is our responsibility to call you back. Hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.